out my So Sampler box today, and always such a fun thing to open. So here we go. Oh, it's called Homegrown this month. Oh, and it's got Harvest Road by Lella Boutique. I love this line. I've actually got some charm packs already of this, but I haven't made anything with it yet. So absolutely gorgeous. I'm not a big brown fan, but with the blues and greens in this, it looks fantastic. Okay, well, let's just get to the... Ooh, we've got 2 charm packs. Awesome. 2 charm packs of Harvest Road by Lella Boutique, and the fabric is gorgeous, really is. I'll show you a closer up in a second. So there we've got that. What else have we got in here? What's the pattern that we've got to go with this? It's called Acorn Caps. Isn't that a topical one for this fabric? So it's a So Sampler exclusive, and looks lovely. Nice sort of stars, and it's using the browns in there as well. That's cool. Let's have a quick look at the little brochure that they pop in that shows us all the things that are in here. So we've got Harvest Road fabric. Oh, we've got some Aurifil thread, my fave. As you can see, I love my Aurifil threads. This one's in colour 1248. It's a sort of a bluey, goes nicely with the blues in Harvest Road. And oh gosh, we've got the Perfect 5 Creative Grids ruler. Fat Quarter Shop have been doing quite a bit with that. They've got some patterns out at the moment. And it goes with this pattern, so we get to use that pattern with this ruler. I love the Creative Grids rulers. The non-stick on the back means that they don't slip when you're trying to cut things. Awesome, my faves. Ooh, what have we got here? Got an enamel magnetic minder by Gingerber. It's a little sewing machine. That is so cute. I'm a bit of a pin fan. I don't know whether you can see it. It might be out of camera shot, but I've got my put a pin in it embroidery hoop up there with all my favourite pins in it as well. So. And last but not least is the Goodness Grows block for the month, and this one's called Cultivate Respect, and that's gorgeous. They're designed by Corey Yoder. I love her fabrics too. So again, we're quilting outside the box. But that's a good one. I love my Aurifil threads. I love that pattern. And we've got a ruler and 2 charm packs and a cute little enamel minder and pin. Fabulous.